Okay, so today is going to be the first day where I start posting more language arts stuff where we're focused on grammar and that kind of stuff. For the next couple of days, we're going to be focusing on English capitalization. Although I know most of you guys are pretty good about capitalizing, but it's always good to go over. So we're going to be focusing on capitalizing political divisions. What are political divisions? Continents. North America, South America, Africa, Europe. These are just some continents. Then we have regions like Northwest, South, Northeast, countries, United States, Mexico, Brazil, Europe. Let's see what else. England, Ireland. These are all states, not states, countries. States, California, New Mexico, Connecticut. These are just some states. Counties. We live in Santa Clara County. Cities, San Jose, Milpitas, and then there's towns. So what do we have to do? We need to capitalize the first letter of each word in a political division's name. So here's example one. The South, see it's capitalized, was hit by a series of storms over the next week. I think I need to turn south at the next corner to find the store. So this South doesn't have to be capitalized, but one of our directions is we need to underline the political divisions, so we underline it. So what's if you don't know how to underline? This is what you got to do. You're going to highlight the word you want to underline, and then you're going to go up to this here where it says U, and then it has an underline underneath it, and all you got to do is click on it, and it's highlighted. So here's example B. Tyler goes to the regional high school in Lincoln County, Georgia. So Lincoln County is the county that it's in. Georgia is the state, so it needs to be capitalized. The group of scouts were searching all over the county to find a good place to camp. So all we need to do is underline that one. We don't need to capitalize it because it's not a specific person, place, or thing, right? It's not a specific county. So 1 through 6, you are going to underline, and then you'll rewrite what needs to be rewritten. So a former president is from Little Rock, Arkansas, which is the state's capital. So we would underline, and then Little Rock is the capital, so that means it's a city. We got a capital. And then Arkansas is already capitalized, so we don't need to do that. Okay. Hopefully this helps you out, and I'll see you guys later.